Hi everyone and welcome back. For those of you who don't know what a porky is, it's a lie, an untruth. And it's an expression, an Old English expression that goes all the way back to the early 1800s. And when we think of lies, I've heard people say that they are white lies. I've heard people say it's a small lie, it's a little fib, that's another word we use. Something small, something insignificant. And yet the scripture's very clear that a lie is a lie. There's no big lie or small lie or grey lie or white lie. It's just simply untruthful. And the Bible's clear that the Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in the people who are trustworthy. We see that in Proverbs chapter 12, verse 22. 1 Peter 3, verse 10, he says, "For whoever desires to love life and see good days, let him keep his tongue from evil and his lips from speaking deceit." You see, lies are terrible things. Lies break the trust in relationships. Lies bring a false sense of security. Lies bring a life of hypocrisy. Lies build walls of barriers and division between people. Lies can destroy families. They can destroy churches, and they will destroy your Christian faith. There's no such thing as a half-truth. It's a lie, and we need to be very clear about that. So God is looking for an attitude which is pure, which is righteous, that we are open, we are clear in our communication, that our communication is as salt. It's pure. It will preserve relationships. It will keep things protected. So we need to put a guard over our lips, a guard over our mouths. It's so easy to lie. When somebody asks you something, it's so easy just to duck and dive and to take another route and not give the clear answer, instead of just being honest. Now, if I can't be honest with you, I'm going to struggle to be honest with God. And the Bible is clear that the devil is the father of all lies. So the moment I allow myself to fall into the trap of telling porkies, telling lies, telling fibs, half-truths, then I am giving myself over to the work of the enemy. We can't do that. So let's walk in integrity and in righteousness with pure hearts, pure minds, and pure mouths. God bless.